It's smaller than a sofa, lighter than a grand piano, and yes, it's a real, working excavator. Meet the Komatsu PC01, the smallest commercial digger on Earth. You don't need a trailer to move it. This thing fits in the back of a van. This micro machine weighs just 770 pounds, about the same as a vending machine. It's 2.3 feet wide, 5 feet long, and under 4 feet tall. That means it can drive through doorways, squeeze into elevators, and work where nothing else fits. But don't let the size fool you. The PC01 can dig, lift, and haul like a pro. It has a 2.7 horsepower engine, rubber tracks, and a fully functioning hydraulic arm. It's used for trenching, garden work, even indoor demolition. It's tiny, but it's all muscle. There's a catch. With great smallness comes low power. Its digging depth is only about 3.5 feet, and it's not built for hard rock or big jobs. Also, it's hard to find, mainly sold in Japan and not easy to import elsewhere. Ever seen an excavator this small in real life?